company known as TEKTHRILL has made significant strides in improving their pick and place operations. They deployed an AI system to analyze their machine data, identify patterns, and predict potential issues before they occur. The result? A dramatic increase in speed and accuracy. The system also learned from past mistakes, constantly improving and adapting its strategies for maximum efficiency. This has led to fewer errors, less wasted materials, and a smoother, faster production line. Not to mention, the AI's ability to work around the clock means no downtime, and a significant increase in productivity. TEKTHRILL's success story serves as a powerful testament to the potential of AI in the SMT process. It's revolutionizing the way we approach pick-and-place tasks, turning what was once a challenging, labor-intensive operation into an efficient, automated process. So it's evident that AI is not just a buzzword, but a real solution to the challenges faced in the pick-and-place process in SMT. Now that we've seen AI in action, let's summarize its benefits in optimizing the pick-and-place process in surface mount technology. Artificial intelligence is the key to unlocking the true potential of SMT by providing solutions that are not only faster but also more accurate and efficient. AI offers the ability to learn and adapt, enhancing the speed of the pick and place process. It swiftly identifies the components, determines their orientation, and places them on the board with precision. This is a significant leap from the traditional methods that were slower and prone to errors. Moreover, AI boosts accuracy by reducing component misplacement and incorrect orientations, a recurring issue in SMT. Lastly, efficiency is heightened as AI automates the process, minimizing human intervention and thus the possibility of errors. As we continue to push the boundaries of technology, AI stands as a beacon of progress in the field of electronic manufacturing and beyond.